Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn CATIA V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.
Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall explain about the press tonnage and calculate the press tonnage. For the blanking die. To blank the power screw support bracket of a car scissor jack. First, let's understand what the press tonnage is. Press tonnage is the maximum pressure or the maximum force that the press machine can produce safely. The formula used to calculate the press tonnage is PT is equal to 1.5 times FSH, where PT is the press tonnage in tons. FSH is the shear force in tons. We have already calculated the shear force. Substituting the value of the shear force, we can calculate the required press tonnage as 21.62 tons. We will have to select a press that offers a maximum pressure of more than or equal to 21.62 tons, to blank the power screw support bracket of a car scissor jack. That's all, in this e-learning module. Thanks.